Problem. How are you, my dear friend? Well done for your resounding success at the elections. Impressive result, 52%. That is amazing. 52.1. Only I get that result in Malta. Well done. Thank you.